So for today's video, we're making a chicken. We're making a barbecue chicken. Like that. Buong manok, lechon manok. So this is what we're going to eat for today's video. Yan, this is we put garlic, onion, and lemongrass inside. Now we will put inside the oven. So this is our lunch for today's video. Yan. Dito natin siya lulutuin in the oven. Okay. Let's check our lechon manok. So yan na siya. Paluto na yung lechon manok natin yan. Yan. Ayan na yung lechon manok natin. No? Nagkukuha na siya. Yan. So that's it. Luto na yung ating lechon manok. Yan na yung lechon manok natin. Alabas yung lemongrass. So this is our lechon manok in the oven.